Hi dear students, today we are going to learn Max 1 first chapter, that is linear equations in two variables. You can know that definition has been given: an equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term containing variable is 1. It is what a linear equations in two variables. Now you can see the general form of linear equation is what? Ax plus by plus c equals 0. Now look over here, this activity has been given: 4m plus 3n equals 12. So when you look over here, the degree is what? 1, and over here it is what? 1. So it means two variables and the degree of each term containing these two variable is what? 1. So it is what? A linear equations. When you look to the second sum, 3x square minus 7y equals 13. Over here the power is 2, but we want the power as 1. So it is not a linear equations. Third, the power is what? Of each term is what? 1. So it is what? A linear equations. Okay, you can solve this 7 sums. Okay, exercise 1.1. First sum is what? Complete this activity. Okay, you all can see over here, this is what? Equation number 1 and equation number 2 has been given. So while doing, keep that in mind. We can solve this by two methods. Either we can make these equations by same pair, or else by making the sign opposites. Over here first we have to find. So over here you all can see we have got this same pair, 3y and 3y plus and minus. So what will happen if we add this 3y plus and this 3y minus will get cancelled. So 5 plus 2 will give you what? 7x, and 9 plus 12 will give you was 21. So x equals 21 upon 7. So x equals what? 3. So over here they have given us x equals 3, and they have put this value of 3 in equation number 1 there. So equation number 1 is what? 5x plus 3y equals 9. So 5, the value of x is what? 3 into 3 plus 3y equals 9. So 3y equals 9. 5 3s is what? 15. So 9 minus 15, it is what? 15 minus 9 will give you 6, but minus sign is greater, so minus 6. So y equals minus 6 upon 3. So y equals minus 2. So solution side is what? X 3 and y minus 2. Simple. So exercise number 1.1, question number second. First one, 3a plus 5b equals 26. A plus 5b equals 22. So over here I have written over here, you all can see, and in this there is some similarity. You can see the 5b and 5b same pair. Okay, what we will do? Leave one line, we will change the sign. Minus plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So 5 plus and 5 minus, so plus minus will get cancelled. So 3a minus a will give you what? 2a equals 26 minus 22 will give you what? 4. It is what? Reason is what? Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, So a equals 4 upon 2. So a equals 2. So value of a is what? 2. So we can substitute this value, substituting a equals 2 in equation. You can put this value in any of the equation 1 or equation 2. So I will be putting this value in equation number 2 because it is what? Small equation. So a is what? 2 plus 5b equals 22. So 5b equals 22 plus, on the right hand side it will become minus. So 5b equals 20, b equals 20 upon 5. So b equals 5 4s are, it is what? 20. So solution set equals curly bracket 2 comma 4. Simple. Okay students, I am solving the sixth sum of exercise 1.1, question number 2nd, sixth one. 1 upon 3x plus y equals 10 upon 3, equation number 1, and 2x plus 1 upon 4y equals 11 by 4, that is equation number 2. Over here in first equation you can see the denominator is 3 and in the second denominator is 4. So how to make a linear equations? Okay, it's very simple. What we will do, we will multiply this equation number 1 throughout by 3. See, 1 upon 3x into 3 plus y into 3, 10 upon 3 into 3. Okay, what? Multiplying equation 1 by 3 throughout. So 3 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. It is what? X plus 3y equals 10. It is what? Equation number 3. And over here it is what? Denominator is 4. So we will multiply this throughout by 4. Why? Because 4 will get cancelled. 2x into 4 plus 1 upon 4y into 4 equals 11 upon 4 into 4. Reason, multiplying equations 2 by 4 throughout, we get what? This 4 get cancelled. 2 4s are 8. 8x plus y equals 11. It is equation number 4. Now equation number 3 is what? X plus 3y equals 10. 8x plus y equals 11. So over here anything it is common? No. So what we will do, we will multiply this, we will make this y common. How? Multiply by 3. Okay, so multiplying equation 4 by 3 throughout, we are making this same pair. Okay, so 8x into 3 will give you 24x, 3 into y will give you 3y, 11 into 3 will give you what? 33, equation number 5, and 3x plus 3y equals 10. So this 3y and this 3y, okay, these are what we have make same pair. Now we will say change the sign. Minus minus minus, plus minus will get cancelled. So 24 minus 1 will give you what? 23x equals 33 minus 10, 23. So x equals 23 upon 23. So x equals 1. So value of x we have got as 1. Now we will substitute this value substituting x equals 1 in equation 3. Equation 3 is what? X plus 3y equals 10. Value of x is what? 1 plus 3y equals 10. So 3y equals 10. On the right hand side, sign will change minus. So 3y equals 9. So y equals 9 upon 3. So equals, so solution set equals curly bracket, value of x is 1 and y 3. Students, earlier in exercise 1.1 we have solved the simultaneous equations by substituting method, but now we will solve the equation by elimination method, okay, in a graph. So you all can see exercise number 1.2, question number 1, the activity has been given. Okay, we have to complete the table and we have to draw the graph. So first one, it is x plus y equals 3. Over here you can see that value of x is what? 3. Value of y we have to find, but over here we can see they have given x coordinate and y coordinate, their value has been given. So over here we can write 0. Okay, over here value of y is what? 5, and we have to find value of x. So how to find value of x, I will show you. Okay, x plus y equals 3 when y equals 5. So we have to substitute this value of y, which is 5, in this equation. So x plus 5 equals 3. So x equals 3 plus, on the right hand side, minus, x equals minus 2. So over here minus 2. So x and y coordinate minus 2 comma 5. And third sum they have given us what? 0 and 3. So over here it will be what? X is 0. So students, we will solve question number 2, that is solve following simultaneous equation graphically. Okay, in a graph we have to solve it. So we are doing this first sum, that is x plus y equals 6, x minus y equals 4. Okay, you all can see I have written this x plus y equals 6, and what is the value of y? We don't know. Y equals 6 minus x. So in this type of sum we will put our own values of x. We will put as 0, 1 or 2. Okay, so when x equals 0, so y equals 6 minus 0, so y equals 6. So value of y is what? 6, 0, 6. When x equals 1, so y equals 6 minus 1, so y equals 5. So 5, 1 and 5. When x equals 2, so y equals 6 minus 2, so y equals 4. So 2 comma 4. In this 0, 1 and 2 we have put our own value. Okay, it should not be more than 5. Remember this. In the next sum, x minus y equals 4. So what I have done, I have put this minus y on the right hand side, so it has become what, plus, and x minus, this is what, plus, on the right left hand side it will become what, minus. So y equals x minus 4. So again we will take our own value, that is 0, 1 and 2. Same way we will substitute over here. When x equals 0, so y equals 0 minus 4. So y equals minus 4, 0 minus 4. When x equals 1, y equals 0, y equals 1 minus 4, so y equals minus 3. Minus 3. When x equals 2, so y equals 2 minus 4. So 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 2. So 2 minus 2. So students, we have got the values, we have got the coordinates of x and y in this both. So we will draw this over here. You all can see 0, 6. Okay, I don't have a graph over here right now, so I have drawn it roughly, so you all can see x-axis and y-axis. Okay, and most important, you all have to write what? Scale. 1 centimeter equals 1 unit on both the axes. So first one is what? 0 and 6. So 0 and 6. So where is 0? First, and 6 over here. Zero, comma 6. Next one, 1 and 5. 1 on the x side, 1 and 5 over here. 1 and 5. Third, 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So you all can see a straight line over here. A straight line which is cutting at 6 on the x axis. Now second question, 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 on the y axis, minus 4 is over here. 0 minus 4. Second, 1 minus 3. 1 and minus 3. Third, 2 and minus 2. 2 minus 2. So over here you all can see, when I join this line, okay, something it is coming on the, it is cutting y axis at 4. Okay, but where they are intersecting, these two lines, where they are meeting over here, so 5 on the x-axis and 1 on the y-axis. Okay, the lines of two given simultaneous equation intersect each other at 5, 1.